Natural solutions for arthritis pain in dogs. As your dog ages, the cartilage on the surfaces of its joints thins, leaving it more prone to arthritis. Arthritis also seems to be more frequent in larger dog breeds. When a dog has arthritis, its joints are injured and poorly cushioned, causing the bones to frequently rub against one another, which can be unpleasant and painful. Your dog may find it more challenging to move because of the ongoing bone-on-bone contact. Here are some symptoms of canine arthritis to watch out for if you're concerned about your dog. Rigid or sluggish movement, having trouble standing up, unexpected weight increase, irritability, low energy, and discomfort when touched. There are natural and non-invasive solutions available to ease your dog's pain and discomfort, even if they have been diagnosed with the arthritis. Weight management is crucial for preserving your dog's joints' health. Overweight dogs may experience greater arthritis because they put extra strain on their joints. In order to reduce the unneeded strain on your dog's joints, keep their weight at a healthy level. Instead of processed meals that may induce joint inflammation, choose natural whole grains and fruits. Additionally, it is beneficial to feed your pet nutrient-dense veggies that contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation. A dog's diet should also include fatty oils like the omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon and sardines. Even though a dog with arthritis can be hesitant to walk, it's still a good idea to include some sort of daily exercise. Walking and swimming are all excellent forms of light to moderate exercise that may keep your pet's joints mobile. Make sure to offer your dog a cozy, cushioned orthopedic bed to sleep in. Additionally, it is beneficial to put your dog's food and water dishes in convenient locations and at a height where they don't need to bend to eat. Despite the fact that it always pays to visit your veterinarian for the best course of action, you may also look into natural pain relief for dogs with arthritis. Turmeric is a type of spice that is high in antioxidants and can help lessen joint damage and inflammation in your dog. According on your pet's body weight, 0.5 to 1 teaspoons of turmeric powder per day, or roughly 15 to 20 milligrams, is advised. Anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving qualities are present in comfrey. These shrubby plants can be found as dried herbs in grocery shops. 0.5 to 1 tablespoons of comfrey per day is the suggested daily amount for dogs. Yucca includes substances that aid dogs with painful joints and encourage the movement of nutrients into the digestive system. Introduce yucca root powder gradually to your dog before giving it a concentrated dose of around 1/4 teaspoon per day. Cannabidiol Cbd, a chemical component present in medicinal marijuana, may also be used to treat arthritis in your dog. Additionally, CBD has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with pain relief. According to research, giving CBD to dogs twice daily at the dose of 2 to 8 mg/kg can boost their comfort and activity levels. Physical therapy is another approach to assist your dog in managing their arthritis. Dogs with degenerative joint condition benefit greatly from therapeutic exercise. Physical therapy attempts to strengthen your dog's muscles, enhance joint mobility, and lessen general discomfort. Massage, stretching, and delicate joint manipulation are a few of the hands-on physical therapy treatments you may use on your pet. These simple motions and exercises can aid with blood flow, flexibility improvement, and pain relief in the afflicted regions. Additionally, you may get your dog started on acupuncture treatments. During the treatment, your veterinarian will insert needles into particular parts of your dog's body to activate the nerves. The muscles will be relaxed and blood flow will be helped by this arthritis therapy. These natural solutions can allow your pet to have a happy and active life even with an arthritis diagnosis. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.